Do you know which train in Tokyo travels up to 160 km or 100 miles an hour, connecting Tokyo and Narita Airport? As of early 2020, this train line has also served well over 35 million passengers since its inception into service. It is the Keisei Skyliner Limited Express. If you stay in the Ueno area, the station is quite easy to get to. Just follow along the main road toward Ueno Park. Tickets can be pre-booked online and redeemed at any station. There are lockers just behind the ticketing office at the Ueno station. You can pay with cash, contactless smart card, and credit card. The layout of the Ueno station is pretty straightforward. You simply get through the gate area, go down a level and you are on the platform. All seats are rotating to face the forward position automatically before the start of each journey. At the time of filming, the Skyliner have served well over 35 million passengers, and that was the early 2020 figures. They have since served an additional 10 million passengers by December of 2022. The interior is a 2-2 configuration with overhead storage space. I first experienced this generation of the train a month into its debut in the summer of 2010. And some 10 years later, the cabin still looks just as clean and sharp as ever. Not to be forgotten, there is also storage for suitcases. And vending machines with limited choices. Each train has 8 carriages. Keisei began offering free Wi-Fi in train and in station services a few years ago. Since I have a SIM card, I've never used it. Let me know how good it is in the comment section. The journey from Ueno to Narita Airport is roughly 77 kilometers or 48 miles. The train first traveled through the bustling Tokyo streets. Slowly the track leads us through the residential area. After several minutes we passed the Arikawa River, which means we are officially in the Tokyo suburb. You can see the Tokyo Sky Tree in the distance from here. A lot has changed since I shot this video. For one thing, Keisei added 2 additional stations at Aoto and Shin Kamagoya. As of this writing though, neither operates full-time. Still, it takes only 41 minutes at the most to reach Ueno from the airport. Although this is a limited express train, it shares most of the track with other regular lines. We passed no less than 20 stations non-stop. It is time to depart. The way to the terminal is just as straightforward as the Ueno station. Again, passengers only need to follow all the signs to reach the departure hall. Just like that, we are in the check-in area. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you again soon.